Hey, Yami, mo kí wa, orúkọ mi ò yí padà. Ọmọ Dojú, Ayekooto náà ni èmi jẹ́. Ẹ dákun ẹ jọ̀ọ́, mo ní ìbéèrè kan tí ó ń kọ mí lóminú, tí mo sì fẹ́ bi ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi léèrè ni. Ṣé bí gbogbo wa máa sọ pé democracy is for the people, by the people, and for the people. Tí n bá sọ dáa o, wọ́n sì ní lásìkò democracy o, we have freedom of speech, freedom of expression, freedom of movement. Ó kàn tí ẹ wá jókòó lónìí, mo wá wo ohun tó ń lọ gan lágbàáyé, ń bá ní ó dáa. Ó mọ̀ jẹ́ pé mi nìkan ni mo rò kíní. Ẹ jẹ́ tún bi ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi léèrè, ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi. Ẹ jẹ́ n bi yín léèrè náà. Ṣé lóòótọ́ democracy, it is for the people, by the people, and for the people? Ṣé lóòótọ́ ní democracy yìí ó náà ní freedom of speech, expression, and freedom of movement? Níwọ̀n èrò tèmi, fake ni. Democracy kì í ṣe fún people, tàbí fún èmi àti ẹ. People tí wọ́n ń sọ níbẹ̀ pé democracy is for the people, kì í ṣe èmi àti ẹ o. Ọmọ ìyá, wọ́n lọ gọrẹ o. Bóyá nítorí ẹ sọ pé one Nigeria, a jẹ́ pé tiẹ̀ ta. Torí pé people tí wọ́n ń sọ àwọn ara wọn, they are all kakọ̀kákọ̀sí wọn ni wọ́n ń sọ o, kì í ṣe èmi àti ẹ o. So wá rí freedom of speech, olúwa o. Kódà mo fẹ́ lè sọ pé láyé ológun freedom of speech tún wà. Kí ló yẹ kí n sọ bẹ́ẹ̀? Ìwọ náà wò ó sìn. Sowore ó defend Nigeria ní bóyá UK ni o, bóyá l'Amẹ́ríkà ni o, nígbà tí wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ pé Nigeria is the most corrupt country.
For the sake of disclosure, the United States of America has one of the most corrupt streets in the world. It's called Wall Street. So when you're talking about corruption, Nigeria is not the most corrupt country in the world. Actually, I would think it's the United States. And of course, you guys in England, where all of our money has been pouring since the days of slavery up until now. Monies that are stolen from our part of the world are passed through Western banks, particularly in the UK, US, and Switzerland. Monies that are stolen from poor people from Nigeria, everywhere in the world, passes through these secret bank accounts. And it's unfair to continue to say that we are the most corrupt. But we have a duty to challenge our leaders and challenge the primitive accumulation of wealth that's been the situation in Nigeria.
Arákùnrin defend Nigeria ń bẹ. Ó sọjú abẹ́ǹkó, ó defend Nigeria. Àwọn EFCC ò máa sọ wípé Sowore o, pẹ̀lú bó ṣe defend Nigeria yìí ó tó jẹ́ kójú ti Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu o, káàrí ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ rere. Wọ́n á sì kí wọ́n dẹ̀ ṣe nǹkan fún. Lẹ́yìn eléyìí, Tinubu tó lọ sáwọn ìlú míì, ó náà bá máa jábọ́, ó ní Nigeria o, corruption free o, ìgbà.
The reform that I've embarked upon since I took over in Nigeria has been very impactful. I can beat my chest for that. It was initially painful, but today the result is blossoming. It's getting clearer to the people. We have more money to the economy, no more corruption. We have the governor of Central Bank here. You don't have to know him before you get the foreign exchange that you need. The speculators are out in our currency market. The door is open for businesses. Easy in, easy out.
Inú bá gbé bàbá pé àwa ẹni tó ṣe yìí kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀, ló bá bọ́ sórí túta ẹ̀, ló bá kọ ọ̀rọ̀ ó kọ́ lọ bí ilẹ̀ bí ẹni. DFCC bá rí, nàbá ni ó dáa o, àbá kọ lẹ́tà sí Twitter pé kí wọ́n gbé àkáǹtì Sowore wálẹ̀, àwọn yẹn ò dáhùn. Àmọ́ àwọn yẹn ò dá wọn lóhùn ni. Lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí, wọ́n ti fún Sowore ní ọ̀sẹ̀ kan péré, ọ̀sẹ̀ kan ni o, just 1 week, pé tó bá kọ̀ tí ò bá lọ ṣe ẹ̀dà ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ padà láti lè fi pọ́n Tinubu lé, yóò sì fojú ba ọwọ́ òfin, àwọn sì ọwọ́ òfin gbé. Wọ́n ò pé àìwá ìdùnnú DSS ní tí wọ́n ní kí Òkòbó wọn bọ̀ ò bọ̀. Àwa la sọ pé freedom of movement, Boko Haram ló ń kó àwọn èèyàn lọ́tún, ló ń kó àwọn èèyàn lọ́sì yìí. DSS sọ fún Boko Haram ní just 1 week kí wọ́n fi surrender o. Wọ́n á fún Boko Haram ní 1 week kí wọ́n fi surrender. Wọ́n á fún Boko Haram ní 2 days kí wọ́n fi surrender. Wọ́n á sì bọ́ta wọ́n sọ pé èyí Boko Haram yìí ó tó. Bẹ́ẹ̀ Dangote tó ń fi trailer tó fi ń pààyàn káàkiri wọ́n.
In Auchi, Edo State, just outside Omega Fire Ministries. Reports say that 3 people lost their lives when 2 trucks, one belonging to Dangote Cement, another unidentified truck, and a GLK Mercedes-Benz were involved in an accident. Now,
wọ́n ṣe pọ̀ ọmọ kan tán lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yẹn ni o, torí tẹ́ bá kàn tẹ́ gbọ́ sórí ọmọ yẹn inú ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ mọ́ sun ẹkún. Tọmọdé wọ́n ti gé gbogbo wọn ti Olódùmarè. Wọ́n á fún àwọn wọ̀nyí, wọ́n á arrest wọn, wọ́n á arrest driver, wọ́n á ṣe kankan. Sórí freedom of movement tó ń sọ yìí, àwọn kan ni o, kì í ṣe mi àti ẹ o. Àwọn kan ni wọ́n ní, àwọn kan ló bá wí, kì í ṣe mi àti ẹ o. Now ẹ wá fún Sowore ní 1 week kó fi retract ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ. Ṣé tó kàn nìyẹn? Ṣé bí DSS lágbè State Security Service àbí kí náà ti ń pè é? Ohun tó yẹ kí wọ́n ṣe wọn ò ṣe, ọ̀tọ̀ ni tí wọ́n gbé dání tí wọ́n ń ṣe. Ẹ wá rí pé Nàìjíríà ti tán àfi tèmi àti àwọn àròhùn. Tó bá ní democracy tèmi àti ẹni ó tán rẹ ni o. Wọ́n ń tẹ̀ ó ń tàbẹ́là. Democracy àwọn kan ni o. Democracy is for the caucus of the people, by the caucus of the people, and for the caucus of the people. Democracy is freedom of movement for the caucus of the people, freedom of expression for the caucus of people, freedom of kituni o, freedom of kini mi ò mama o. Ṣùgbọ́n láàrin mi àti ẹ, ó jọ yé máa jẹ́ pé ní freedom ọ̀hún o. Àwọn ò ní rárá. Àti ìkú òun bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ wo tán ṣe fún Verydarkman náà. Ó náà bá bọ́ta, ó fi gbé ta DSS àbí kí láti ń pè é gbé mi lọ sí ilé ẹjọ́.
All right, so I woke up this morning feeling sad and unhappy. As you all know, EFCC arrested me on the 2nd of May 2025. Until today, EFCC have refused to take me to court. They've refused to prosecute me. They refused to tell Nigerians what I did. Meanwhile, these people have my phone. And that phone, they've taken my life back to like 2 years ago.
Ẹ sì sí fóònù èèyàn, ẹ gba fóònù lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀, for what reason? Ẹ ti rí pé ni yóò jẹ̀bi ẹ̀sùn tẹ́ mú fún, ẹ filẹ̀ property ẹ kò fún, ẹ tún gba property ẹ lọ́wọ́ ẹ gba fóònù ẹ lọ́wọ́ ẹ, ló ń bá ya bọ́ta pé tọ̀ DSS ẹ ti pa wọn o. Gbogbo bó ń ṣe lọ sí China, àwọn kọ́ńtàtì tó ń gbà tó máa fi bẹ̀rẹ̀ business, ó ń bẹ nínú fóònù, ẹ fóònù ní fóònù òun, ẹ kọ̀ ẹ fún.
As you all know, I went to China. Got a lot of contacts, made a lot of connections with a lot of manufacturers, company CEOs. All of this, I even announced that I will bring all of this to come and help a lot of Nigerian youths get into business and a lot of people go into business, because I was going to start linking the people that, if you want to go into this business, this is the manufacturer, or we'll have a conversation with them in order to open doors for a lot of Nigerian youths to start doing business. But EFCC hold my phone. I don't feel do anything again. Waiting pay me past now yesterday for Akwa Ibom Airport. Now I make the team when they pay me. One man sat me down. The man came and said, "Oh, I was scammed. I was trying to do business in China. I was scammed." He showed me it was scammed. That's okay. When am I going to start? The thing just break me because I for don't start, and maybe a lot of youth for don't benefit from all of this. Now I'm beginning to think that why do these people? Why are they holding my phone without telling me what I did? I go be the first where EFCC carry, where EFCC they fear to prosecute, or maybe EFCC no one prosecute. You just carry me, kidnap me, like you are not telling anybody what I did. Do you understand? Now that phone where you hold, I don't make a lot of contacts. give me my phone. Now, it don't be as if maybe because I came out to say I've made a lot of contact, maybe all these other manufacturers, all these other big businessmen and women, maybe they contacted the EFCC to actually do that kidnap. Because I don't know what I would think again. Maybe they contacted them to carry me and collect my phone so that I will not be able to make those connections and be able to open business doors for a lot of people. I think that's why at this point, because they don't have any reason to hold my properties. I am not a thief. I will beg
my nanny phone way. Kí ló dé tí wọ́n ń lo ìgbọnnu ìjọba, ìgbọnnu àwọn DSS láti lè fi threaten life àwọn ọmọ aláìní? Kí ló dé tí wọ́n ń lo ìgbọnnu wọn láti lè fi shut up ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ pé kò sí tí ń jẹ́ freedom of speech láti sọ̀rọ̀ sí bad government? Ẹ wá ń sọ fún mi pé Nàìjíríà ò dáa. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn ni wọ́n ń lọ sí ìlú èbó, ni wọ́n ń lọ sáwọn ìlú káàkiri. Wọ́n rí bí oníkálukú ṣe ní àǹfààní láti sọ̀rọ̀ sí ìjọba torí because kí ìjọba lè ṣe correction ni, not because to tarnish their image, but for them to do the right thing at the right time. But when we fail to express our opinion, to express our mind, to express how the bad government is being run in Nigeria, then who else want to talk again? Because to bati soju, wọ́n máa wá fi DSS gbé ni. Even including àwọn tá ń ṣe small script yìí, tá a bá soju, they will trace us and they will arrest us. Pé fídíò tá a ṣe yẹn ó bá government wí. Then ẹ wá sọ fún mi pé ṣáà ti padà sí military era. Àwọn kan dẹ̀ ń pariwo pé one Nigeria, one Nigeria, one Nigeria. Eléyìí fi hàn wá wípé a ò kì í ṣe one Nigeria ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ni àwọn kan wà tí wọ́n jẹ́ wípé wọ́n ṣe Ọlọ́run ṣe jẹ́ pé níbi tí agbára wọn lè dé tí wọ́n bá tẹ̀ àtẹ̀gbé ni. Ní táwa ẹ̀ bá dẹ̀ tẹ̀ àtàrà wa ni o, tá a bá tẹ̀ kí tá tẹ̀gbé o. Ó ti rí ẹni tí ó jí fóònù lásán. Fóònù ni o tí wọ́n sì fi sí ẹ̀wọ̀n 15 years lọ́sùn. Just ordinary phone. Àwọn ìjọba yìí sì ń jẹ millions, wọ́n dẹ̀ ń kówó òlu jẹ, wọ́n dẹ̀ ń gbé wọn lọ sí ilé ẹjọ́. Ilé ẹjọ́ dẹ̀ tún dá wọn láre. Àbí wo ti rí ni tí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn kówó òlu jẹ tán tí wọ́n dẹ̀ tún pretend bẹ́ni para àwọn ìyá, èmi gan collapse nínú courtroom. Látàrí kíni o, látàrí pé kówó òlu jẹ. Ẹni tó wá jí fóònù lásán, wọ́n sì rán lẹ́wọ̀n 15 years. Ọmọ aláìní ń jìyà. Ọmọ aláìní ó ń jìyà. Kí ni tí DSS kí ni tá fẹ́ ṣe fún Sowore? Ṣé department DSS ní láti sọ̀rọ̀ àbí àwọn ọlọ́pàá? Ẹ̀rí oníkálukú wọn wá mọ́ṣẹ́ mọ́. DSS wá ríra wọn gẹ́gẹ́ bí kíni o, gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹni tó jẹ́ pé àwọn làwọn lè dá ẹnikẹ́ni dúró láti má lè ṣe ohunkóhun. Wọ́n fi ìbẹ̀rù bojo sínú ọkàn àwọn ènìyàn láti má lè sọ̀rọ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n sì ń lo agbára ìjọba láti kó ẹnikẹ́ni ní páńpẹ́. Ẹ ṣúrẹ̀ fún olóyè Sunday Igboho.
You now to take me to court. EFCC charged me to court. Tell Nigerians what I did. Tell Nigerians what I did, bro. Just tell them that this is what this guy did. Different rumors, Verydarkman launder money. They even nearly put out for online. It was say I keep quiet that time. EFCC for post me say I do money laundry, and maybe a lot of people for believe. Bro, me, they go write money laundry for my name. Thank God, said they no post them. Tax evasion. When I come out, they say, Verydarkman, you know, say you don't pay tax. Rush, go pay tax. I say, I will never do that. We'll go through the court. If we go to the court and court say I evade tax, and they say, okay, this is the penalty. You are paying so fine, or you go and serve so time. Fine and good. I will do something through the right channel. When they came to tell me, oh, Verydarkman, go and rush and pay tax, so that I say, no, I will not do it. But over within Nigeria, don't offer myself to pay tax. What? Do I have constant power supply? Do I have good road? Do I have good water? Do I have security? They kidnap people every day. Like, why am I even paying tax? Why? Why do I need to pay tax? But for what it is worth, to be a good role model, yes, if you come, I'm going to pay. But I don't have any reason to pay tax in Nigeria. You're collecting tax for what? For nothing. You know, you're collecting tax for nothing. But yeah, I say, okay, we'll go through the court. And this is why I have a problem with Dojú. Do you understand? This is why I have a problem. It's almost as if you don't make friends with them. Now I come here as if instead may para for them. They talk to them normal. Now I say, okay, you know what? This is one of the reasons why I make me, because my phone there with these guys, bro. Tell Nigerians what I did. And they say last week that they go different club. They ask say if they get video where Verydarkman spray money, may they give them. So that's what you want to use in all of this. I think so when get one kind proof where on a hold. They say London money for NGO. Up to today, I'm still looking for that receipt. EFCC should bring it. You people have gone to meet bank manager. Just come out and come and challenge me. Let's go and do a debate. Now I get courts, now I get everybody. I know say now I get upper hand for courts and everything. But take me there. I just want to find myself in court. At least let's get this thing over with. If I'm going to go to jail, let me know. I keep thinking about a lot of things. You know, a lot. These people have no reason. They say, okay, maybe they won't hold the case to maybe election 2027. Then they'll come so that they'll use that one carry me, because apparently these people are scared. The politicians are scared that who is Verydarkman going to support him and his rattles? Who are they going to support in 2027? So they are scared. Maybe they want to use that one to hold me. But bro, I'm not even doing politics in 2027. What's my business? What's my business? I already know what's going to happen in 2027.
July 4th, 2021, láìsí invitation, ẹ̀bálẹ́jẹ́ ẹ̀bọ̀nàjẹ́ lóru without fún àwẹ̀. Ṣé bí ẹ̀yin invite yẹn ni ẹ rí pé wọ́n ti ń sìnkú agbára lọ. Ibi tí wọ́n sì lòdì ó náà ní èmi àtẹjọ́ dé lónìí. Ìbéèrè mi rèé o, mi ò mọ̀ bóyá mo jánà àbí mo dájú torí bọ́ kò yé mi. Ṣùgbọ́n tí mo fẹ́ mọ̀ ni pé ṣé lóòótọ́ ni democracy tàjọ gbé dání yìí bí wọ́n ṣe pé ló jẹ́. It is for the people, by the people, and for the people. Democracy also, it is freedom of speech, freedom of movement, freedom of expression. Tó bá jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n bá ṣe ń kà tó dẹ̀ rí bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ tí ẹ jẹ́ kí mi ó gbọ́ o. Àmọ́ lọ́dọ̀ tèmi 0 ló mú o, torí pé wọ́n ń tẹ ẹ̀tọ́ ọmọnìyàn lójú. Every one of us have the right to our human rights. We have the right to talk. We have the right to speak. We have the right to express our feeling concerning the bad government that is being run in Nigeria. But when we try to do that, wọ́n ti fi pankẹ́rẹ́ kan tí ó lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ tí ó nà ẹgbẹ́ níbi tí wọ́n nà dé tó bá dé DSS omi tí wọ́n á fún ẹ mú. Àwọn tí wọ́n ti lọ lórí ìròyìn Ọlọ́run dààmú wa, Ọlọ́run kò ṣàánú fún wa. Ẹ̀yin jẹ́ kí n mọ̀ tẹ́ bá rò ṣé lóòótọ́ òun náà ní tá ń sọ yìí Nàìjíríà wò ó àfi kí Olódùmarè kó ṣàánú ìmọ̀ àti ẹ̀. Ẹ wo mo sign out náà, ire o.